Alright, so welcome to today's video. In this video, we are gonna attempt to make $1.80 for every picture being uploaded online. Alright, so I'm gonna be following exactly whatever this video says, and hopefully we'll be able to make $1.80 like advertised. Alright, so enough talking and let's do this!
Here's how it works. Simply upload your photos to the platform, and when other users view them, you earn money per view. Once your earnings reach $15, you can request a payout, which is processed through PayPal. So all you need is a PayPal account for the transactions. The platform we're using is called ClickASnap.com, which is available worldwide. So no matter where you are, you can participate.
Alright, so apparently where we're going to be uploading the photos to earn $1.80, right? It is this website called ClickASnap, right? We're going to be uploading our photos over here, and how we're going to be able to earn money, right, is basically when users view our photos. And we will get paid once our payment reaches $15. So once we have $15, we'll be able to withdraw our money through PayPal. For security, nice, thank you very much. Alright, so what's next? What we have to do is to obviously get the photos, right? So in order to have the photos, apparently we can't exactly just take any photos from our camera roll. Not as simple as that. What we have to do, or what the video suggested for us, right, is that we should go to this website, which is called krea.com. Krea.com.
For example, if I want to create an image of a wolf in the snow, the AI generates the image almost instantly based on just that simple prompt. The images generated by Krea.ai are based on existing photos, and you also have the option to click on the HD setting to generate a higher resolution image. Alright,
so this is the website, ClickASnap. Your creativity pays. Alright, better pay us, man. So these are the photos over here as advertised. So apparently whoever clicks or views on these pictures, right, we will get paid. Okay, so that's the idea. And as mentioned, right, users view your photos. Your photos are displayed to others that visit ClickASnap. When your photos are viewed, you make money. And we have to reach to $15 first before we are able to withdraw the money, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and sign up for an account first, and then I'll go ahead to Krea.com to generate the AI photos, and then I'm gonna upload to this website, ClickASnap. Alright, so we're here, Krea.com. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up first before I start generating my real-time pictures.
I highly recommend keeping an eye on the feature page of ClickASnap. This page showcases the types of photos that are currently earning money, giving you insights into what works well on the platform. Avoid uploading random photos without understanding what's trending or popular. By observing the feature images, you can use Krea.ai to generate similar high-quality photos, which will increase your chances of earning money.
Alright, so before we create the images, right, we can't exactly just randomly come up with random pictures, right? So what the video suggested us to do is that we should go to explore and feed over here at ClickASnap to see what are the trending pictures, and then we can just basically mimic them and then generate the photos with Krea and then upload them to the ClickASnap. So basically we're just finding like winning products, right? Winning pictures for this case. Alright, so we are at the popular section right here of ClickASnap. So these are the pictures that are trending, right? That are popular right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna find one picture, right, that is nice for me. Okay, so all of these pictures look good. We just have to find one that stands out, that we can mimic it, we can replicate it to make it popular as well. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead with this, the fox, right? The fox in this snowy background. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to make another version of this photo with Krea.ai. As you guys can see, right, there's like 1874 views right now. Earning money, man. Pretty sure I contributed to this person's income right now by viewing it. Alright, so I'm at Krea.ai over here. I'm gonna go ahead and enter this prompt. Fox with, whoa, it changes in real time. Damn, impressive. Fox in a snowy background. What? Sign up to keep generating for free. Alright, fine, I'll create an account.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm done creating my account. So this is the image that Krea.ai has generated for me. Fox in a snowy background, just like the popular photo that was being shown at ClickASnap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, download this image. I mean, it looks good already, right? It looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty similar to the winning picture, if you may. Alright, so I'm just gonna download this image right here and I'm gonna upload it to ClickASnap. Alright guys, so I'm done editing the picture. So this is the title, this is the description, and this is the text. Alright, and this is the category. Album will be non-selected. Alright, so this is the title that I've stated over here, and then this is the description. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and upload right here.
Much later.
Alright, so this is the picture that I've uploaded. This is the fox with the snow background. I'm gonna go ahead and upload like 4 more. Alright, 4 more pictures. In totality, I'm gonna do like 5 pictures. So in order to increase my chances of getting paid. Hopefully I can get like $15. That's just my goal for now. And hopefully I can withdraw the payment, and yeah, hopefully it works. Alright, so this is a second picture. This is a picture of an ape, right? A hungry ape. So basically all these pictures, right, they're all under the popular section as to what I've showed you guys earlier on. So I'm just, like I said, I create the image at the Krea AI. I'm just, like I said, replicating something similar from the popular pictures. Alright, so this is a hungry ape, and this is the second one, like I said, and this is the third one. This is the pizza, right? Pizza party, that's right. This is the fourth one. It is a cat, right? A cat on a metal fence actually. And the last one is this butterfly and the flower. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and upload all of them, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I'm done uploading all of the pictures. As you guys can see over here, this is my profile. Click a snap profile right here. This is the butterfly and the flower, the cat, the pizza, the ape, and this is the fox, right? Okay, so that's it, man. That's it. Basically, that's it. That's all from the video that I have been following all along from the Money Mentor. So that's all, man. That's all we're gonna do, and I just have to wait until I get views onto all of these pictures, and if I were to get views, I'll get paid. Simple as that. Alright, so if you guys want to see whether this method works or not, right, you guys can follow me on my community, and all of the Make Money Online method reports will be inside. So you'll be right here, right? So over here, this is the Make Money Online methods. This is my community, by the way. So this is how it looks, right? So this is all the reports that I've done, whether is it true or not, whether it really does it work or not. Alright, so if you guys want to have access to all of these reports, join the link at the description box down below, and I'll see you guys inside.